Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy MYX token on Binance Alpha. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to search bar in the top. Then you can search MYX. You can click this and there is MYX on Alpha tab. You can click this one. Then as you can see, this is the charts and MYX just get list on Binance Alpha and also just launch. So if you want to see the information, you can click info tab here in the top, and as you can see the volume and then the transaction, the total transaction and total supply, and also you can see the audit. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here, and then you can swap your USDT or other token to MYX. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.